Assalamu alaikum. I'm here on stage of Ali English House Academy. We give the opportunity to our students by delivering this speech here. They can improve their personality and communication skill. So let's hear a speech from this boy, inshallah.
Assalamu alaikum. A very good evening to everyone. My dear brothers and sisters, how are you all doing today?
Fine.
That's really wonderful. I would like to thank Ali House English Academy to giving me an opportunity to develop my personality. Today I am going to say a story. A doctor was there called Dr. Velumani. In 1882, he went to an interview. The interviewers asked him to say where was the thyroid. He didn't know about the thyroid because he was a mathematician student. He said that somewhere in leg. They insulted him. In 1992, he finished a PhD in thyroid microbiology, and in 2002, he was making the world largest thyroid testing laboratory. He said that studying what you have studied is a success, but doing what you have not studied is a leader. If you studied what you have learned, you will become a survivor. You will survive in the world. If you study what you have not learned, you can become a leader in the world. That means if you are studied, you know what is pen. You can write with it. You know the pen eraser? You don't know. You can erase that with writing. That means same. ನೀವು ಓದಿದ್ದನ್ನ ಕಲ್ತ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಸಾಧಿಸಬಹುದು. ನೀವು ಓದಿಲ್ದಲೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಕಲ್ತ್ರೆ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಜೊತೆ ಸೇರಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಸಾಧಿಸಬಹುದು. ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Thank you for giving me an opportunity and listening to me very patiently.